Hey everyone, and welcome to video 5. Using this new GPT I created called the Atomic Intent Mesh Builder. So in the last video I showed you how to create these individual HTML files like this. Very nice. These are all awesome, incredibly efficient, that the AIs love. We're going to use this builder, and all you got to do is click on go and answer the questions. Please provide one of the following so I can extract the file name, no guessing. A screenshot of the folder containing the HTML files, and that's what we'll do. So you grab this. Now it's important that you expose all of the file names, and all I'm going to do is screen capture this like that and paste that in there. Okay, so it's found all the files, perfect. And there are 21. Step 2. What is the main URL of this site? There's the main URL. And it will ask another question. The logo URL. There it is. Now this is important. This GPT analyzes the file names and from that extracts the intent of the user, and it's come up with a pest control comparison, so we will use that. That means on the main site we're going to create a folder called pest control comparison, and that will become the folder that hosts all of these files. And what it's doing now is creating a prompt to put into Gemini to build out an index page that is perfect, as you'll see. Very cool. So now all we need to do is copy this, go to Gemini, load canvas, paste that in there. Check this out. So you can see there it's got the path in there already. And here is our index file, which is a listicle pointing to all of your internal pages. Very cool. So Control A, Control C, paste that into your text editor and save that in the same folder as your internal pages. Save as index.html. And you'll see it looks exactly like this. And these all link to your internal pages. Thank you very much. We're not finished yet. Now it says, would you like me to generate a sitemap XML for this folder now? Yes. Very cool. And now we do the same. We copy this, create a new file, save it as sitemap.xml. And this is important because we need to get our sites indexed in Bing. So you go to Bing Webmaster Tools, you can log in with a Google account. Top left, add site. Make sure you add the site and verify it, and then you can submit this sitemap. And that is the easiest way to get your content into Bing. It still takes a week. Bing is very slow compared to Google. Okay, so that's done. Copy that. New page, paste, save as sitemap.xml. Beautiful. That looks exactly like that. Now we go back here, scroll down. Do you want me to generate an LLM s.txt for this folder now? Yes or no? Yes. Very cool. It's got the full path in there, as you can see. new file, save as llms.txt. Boom. And now we have these 21 files. We have the index page, beautiful, which links to all the internal pages. We have a sitemap XML and an llms.txt, which looks like that, very nice. And we are all done. Now you can just upload this to your site. Make sure the site is added to Webmaster Tools. And that is one beautiful, what we call atomic intent mesh. And you can create as many of these as you like, and I would say the more you do, the better. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in video 6, which is going to blow you away.